Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 5th EVS. आज इस पर anemia. क्या पर anemia. ऐसे इस पर treat for mosquitoes. इनको एक सब topic is anemia. What is that? Anemia क्या go? Arti when you know I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. Arti when I mess up your खूनस test कर मतुमो सुकुड़ खून syringe a book. The blood test showed that I had anemia. खून के निम test हो में mess anemia. Rajat what is that? This is क्या go? Arti when the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. Doctor ने वोन चे hemoglobin या iron खूनस मज कम. The doctor gave some medicine to give me strength. Timo se dit me kya dawa yemo se me kya matlab taakat phyor. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables. Te won me tsase khije jaggery khije amla ya zyad green leafy vegetables khije. Yes, because these have iron. Uman ma chasa iron zyad. Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? Sanis khunis mas kit ka ek iron asit. Just kirat there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Masa wushrat newspapers maz at mutalik. Rajat, laughing look asne. So you ate iron or what? Then you ate iron or what? Iron. Or the silly, this is not the iron used to make the keys. In such so iron key say this I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. तो मगर मैं ऐसा करती मैं वो डॉक्टर मैं ऐसा खिलती वेजिटेबल्स खे में तो मैं ऐसा वुश पात यूजन मैं वो डॉक्टर वो मैं ऐसा यूजन मैं वो hemoglobin ओस ऐसा बढ़िया. Anemia common in Delhi schools. Anemia is common in Delhi school in November 2007, 17 November 2007. Thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. 7 November 2007 bedi bach yum paras municipal corporation school mas Delhi mas umanos anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Am said ko physical growth gay matlab retard the mental growth gay has come. Due to anemia, children do not grow well. And their energy levels are low. Anemia said क्या गया बच्चन गया असल पे बड़ के तो यूजन energy level तुम वारिया कम. This also affects their ability to study properly. Am said चना पढ़ तुम ठीक पे के. Now health check-ups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. आज गया health check-up school में बेच health card में प्राप्त करने बच्चेस. Then anemic children are also being given iron tablets. Yum bachan anemia ash khunish kemi ash umman tish then iron tablets. Look at Arti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. To use Arti the blood report imis hemoglobin. How much did Arti's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Kota guys Arti hemoglobin burden. So, time like what does the newspaper report say about the problems caused by anemia? Newspaper report ne kya won atmotalik anemia se kya problem she? Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Kar chutai pe mut khunuk test karta is gair ke mos kans kya pe us karun khunuk test. What was found out by the blood test? Khunus simsa test go ait kya wushna ab. Have you had a health checkup in your school? Kya to chho schools mein gumut health checkup? What did the doctor tell you? To pat kya wona to doctor. Ask a doctor or elders about the food items which contain iron. To when so doctors ya gair ken when so tum food item on hun yuman mas iron as. Pat ge baby mosquitoes. Baby mosquitoes mispa there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Posters to malaria mutalik out classes never can. Everyone goes out to look. Are you inviting mosquitoes? Kya tu show mosquito and davadiwa behavior? They separate malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Amose chikasa malaria, chikasa dengue, chikasa chikungunya, chikasa. Don't let water collect around you. Panas and pegasimo dobo show much ab dun jama gasne fill up the pits dob gasan barin. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. Yim zan water pots आसान यमन आब छ thawan या cooler छ आसान tank तुम गसन thawin saaf. They should be dried every week. Prat haft pazan be tum khoshik kariyo. Put fish in the ponds. Aman pond maz paz thayu trayu guard so that they aid the mosquito larvae. ताकि यम मॉस्किटो लार्वा बच्चे ठूल अम निवान खेत. यूज मॉस्किटो नेट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट युवर सेल्फ. मॉस्किटो नेट्स पे मच्छरदानी तुम करो इस्तेमाल. स्प्रे ऑयल इफ वाटर हैज कलेक्टेड एट सम प्लेसेस या कुछ जाए आब जमा गोसम तथ पे त्रो तील तुम. रजट द पोस्टर सेज समथिंग अबाउट लार्वा. अख पोस्टर्स या वन कस मुतल लार्वास मुतल. व्हाट आर दोज उम क्या गए. नैन्सी दोम हसा गई दे आर बेबी मॉस्किटोज. लार्वा गई बेबी मॉस्किटोज मॉस्किटो हंद बच. बट दे डोंट लुक लाइक मॉस्किटो एट ऑल. मगर उमन बासान मॉस्किटो हंद पे कह. आरती why did you see them? च वुचतक तुम. Nancy there was an old pot lying behind our house. Sanis makanस पत किन अख प्रोन अख pot अख. It was full of water for some days. मे वुच अत मज पतमो दह पे वारिया आब. When I looked there I saw some tiny thread like grey things swimming. मे मे पे नजर पे मे लकट लकट तुम क्या 15 भी तुम चीज क्या ग्रे वुच मे स्रांट पाया नचा अत मज. I was surprised when mummy told me that these had come out of eggs. बह हसा गयस हैरान ये मम्मी वोन मे उम द्रामत कमो मज ठूल मज. विच मॉस्किटोज ले इन वाटर. यम मॉस्किटो त्रिमित कत मज ठूल आबस मज. They are called larva. उमने वन larva baby mosquitoes. I also heard something about this on the radio. मे बोजम रेडियो मुतलिक ते अत पे. What did you do? Nancy. Papa immediately threw away the water. Papa sun ये आब दरित. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside. इमो कोर pot साफ तो कोरन खुशक थोन क्या ये upside down. Upside कोरनस down कोशवर कोरनस पिठम अंद बोन कुन. So that no water would collect. अत मज गस आब जमा की. मिसबा. Shazia auntie told me that even flies spread disease. Shazia auntie हसा वोन यम flies छ मश उम ते बेमारी फैलावन. Especially stomach problems. खास कर छम करन म्यादस प्रॉब्लम. रजत. But flies don't bite. मगर flies छ चोप दिवान की. Then how they spread disease. तुम कित कांच बेमारी फैलावन.